Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be talking about how cash is king right now and the stock market will crash. This is just my opinion. Be a trader and not a long-term investor, but if you want to be a long-term investor in this market, that's your choice. But in my opinion, this is just my opinion, be a trader. I don't think the market is going to crash anytime soon. I think the market is going to be extremely volatile. If volatility is really good if you know how to trade. But if you're a long-term investor and you want to just, put your cash in, close your eyes, and hope one day in the future your money is worth a lot more, then the best position right now for you is cash, not stocks. Why did I say this? Simply because I believe that Donald Trump will lose, and I believe that in October, November, December, the stock market will crash. Will recover in January, February? No idea. We'll play it by ear then, but this could be the biggest crash of our life, and we may not see a recovery in 2021. We might not see a recovery until 2022. So this is my opinion, but I don't know for sure. But if the market does crash, having cash is the best position to be in right now. So yeah, this is an article. Black Swan. Author says investors don't use tail hedge. He recommends not being in the market. We're facing a huge amount of uncertainty. If you know how to play options, if you know how to buy stocks that bet against the market, then you're golden. But if you don't, then just stay out of the market and just wait until a crash happens. And then once Donald Trump loses or wins or whatever, then you can determine, do I want to put my money back into the market? Or do I just, after that, after the election, then determine if you want to put your money back in the market. I would just be patient and wait until the election is over. That is my opinion only. As we can see, the Wall Street executives are planning for Biden presidential win. This is the reason why markets are so volatile right now. So yeah. Luckin Coffee is getting delisted. If you're not aware, I guess it's a little late for that warning, but on Monday it will no longer trade. I'm surprised that the stock didn't drop down to the penny range, like 10 cents or 15 cents or whatever. And I'm surprised that it's even floating at $1.38. Maybe people are hoping something good happens. But this is what I think is going to happen. It's going to get delisted from the NASDAQ, and then it's going to trade on the OTC. So technically you still own your shares, but it'll be converted into OTC instead of NASDAQ. Because the OTC doesn't really care about fraud. They don't care about anything. They'll let you trade regardless of your situation, because it's the OTC, but it's over-the-counter trading. Liquidity is going to dramatically reduce, and people on Robinhood won't be able to buy Luckin Coffee stock. Just letting you know, but I guess it doesn't really matter because it's a little late. Tortoise Acquisition Corp. Up and down at 62 cents. I am really kicking myself for selling. I could have made an extra 10%, 15% profit, or even more. It depends on how high it goes. I think it should have a correction coming up here because it's way overbought right now. I mean, it could stay overbought for a while before it has its correction. So we could see this thing go to $30 and then pull back to $25, $24 in the near future. But, it's way overbought right now. If you guys bought at $10, you would have made, 250% of your profit right now. Or even you bought it at $14, you would have made a huge amount of money off it. Aurora, I think Aurora is still heading down. Aurora bounced after hours, but like I said, Aurora looks like a death cross is going to happen in the near future here. It looks really bearish right now. Today's volume was pathetic, 3.76 million. I mean, that's not bad, but it's still pathetic, in my opinion. And I think it's heading down lower. I think all the MJ stocks are heading down lower. Canopy, I think it's heading down lower. It's bouncing after hours, but it's temporary. And I still think Canopy is extremely overvalued at 5.8 billion, 5.9 billion, sorry. Acreage, the lower it goes, the more of an opportunity it becomes. I do have a position. I am down on my position, but I didn't make a big position because I was aware that there was a possibility the stock price could go down even further. So I only bought a small position, and if it keeps going down, I'm going to add to my position because I don't think it's going to go bankrupt, and I do think that Canopy will pay me those dividends, 30 cents. So if I own 10,000 shares, they would have to pay me $3,000 in cash. Cold hard cash. So if it goes $2, if it goes down to $1, that's even better. I mean, the lower it goes, the more of an opportunity it becomes. 232 would probably be, right now I think it's not a bad buy because I don't think it'll go down to 232, but if it goes down there and breaks it, I'm definitely buying more. Tilray is up 3 cents after hours. Not too much to say about that. Tilray, you know, it's probably going to downtrend with the rest of the market. Kron is up 2 cents after hours. Afria will just trade with the market, but it's not showing after hours. Hexo is up half a penny after hours. Nikola had a big crash today. I think this crash was basically a transfer of money. I think people sold out of Nikola Motors and transferred their money into Shell. I think, yeah, that's what I think is happening right now, but I could be wrong. This is pure speculation on my part. Hold on a second. I had to close my door, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, that's what I think happened, but there is an event that is happening for Nikola on Monday. They are revealing the truck, but they are still very overvalued at $22 billion. This could be, you know, it could crash even more on the, you know, sell the news event, but who knows? We'll see what happens. Tesla is overvalued. That's what I believe. I might buy, you know, we'll see what happens, but I think one day we're gonna wake up and we're gonna see Tesla stock crash hard. That's what I think. Virgin Galactic Mobile. Virgin Galactic is bounced pretty hard after hours. I should have capped this. I was thinking at 519, 520 was a good opportunity, and then when they made the golden cross, I should have just bought it. I should have been like, oh, look, hey, it's going to go up. And it went up. So, could have made a decent turnaround flip play. If I bought some call options at $15, I would definitely be in the money. And I definitely would have made some money near the end of the day. Oh, well, that's life. Gee, GameStop. GameStop does look attractive down here. But at the same time, we got to remember that GameStop is under a lot of pressure because of the digital consoles that are coming out. Carnival is down 15 cents. Carnival, I was so stressed out with this stock today. I was waiting for a big crash so I could sell my put options, but it never happened. And I was like, okay, screw it. This thing looks like it's starting to uptrend. So I covered my put option for a 25% profit. I could have got away with a 75% profit, but it didn't drop low enough. Oh well, I ran away with profit. I didn't lose any money. So at least, you know, that's good at least. Innovo. Today, I also made a ton of profits off Innovo. I doubled my money which is I'm happy. I bought some put options and at $30 put, and it crashed all the way to 28.40. I made 100% of my profit, which is nice. 15 put options. SPY trading sideways, not too much to say about that. Genesis Brands International up 2 cents after hours. Kira was trading sideways. No, Kira popped near the end of the day. Man, I personally would stay away from it. Ianthus is still halted. I do have a video coming out of the weekend for Ianthus and Man. Vero Health is down 7 cents. Slang is down a penny. Bitcoin is bounced back with the market. This is kind of funny. High Tide, neutral, just kind of been flat for a while. Planet 13 is just trading sideways. Liberal Health Science today trading no, look, it popped near the end of the day. Harvest Health not really doing too much, just kind of trading sideways. But anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.